If you've been thinking about joining my upcoming group course, but aren't sure if it's the right fit, I completely understand. Investing in yourself and your healing journey is a big step. But whether you're new to neural retraining or have been exploring it for a while, this course is designed to support you wherever you are. I know that it's natural to feel hesitant, especially if you've tried other approaches that didn't seem to work. But that's exactly why I created this course, to take the guesswork out of rewiring and to help you create a plan that actually works for you. So in this video, I want to take a few minutes to answer some of the most common questions I've been getting and to remind you that early bird pricing closes this Friday, March 15th. So if you've been on the fence, now's the time to jump in. So let's talk about what's inside the course and what makes it different from just trying to figure this out on your own. Reclaiming Your Life group course is an 8-week guided program that gives you a step-by-step process to rewire your brain, calm your nervous system, and to create sustainable healing habits. The lessons are practical and easy to follow, designed for small, consistent steps that add up to big changes. The course includes 8 weeks of structured step-by-step video lessons. These videos walk you through the rewiring process in a way that's clear and doable. There are 8 live coaching calls so that you have real-time support, encouragement, and a place to get your questions answered. These will be by Zoom, and they'll be recorded in case you're unable to attend live. There'll be a workbook with exercises, and there'll be guided reflections to help you integrate what you're learning. The videos and audios throughout the course are to help deepen your practice and to help make rewiring feel natural. And of course, a supportive community so that you're not doing this alone. Healing can feel isolating, but in this course, you'll be surrounded by others on the same path. If you've read my book, Rewire Your Wellness, we'll be going even deeper into some of the tools that I introduce in the book. This course is all about putting those concepts into action and personalizing them to work for you. You don't need to have read the book in order to take the course. But if you have, you'll find that we expand on those ideas in ways that will help you to integrate them into your daily life. So if you sign up before March 14th, you'll also get 2 early bird bonus modules to help you get started right away before the course officially begins on March 21st. The first bonus is Small Habits, Big Changes. This module teaches you 5 small, under-a-minute habits that signal safety to your limbic system so it can begin to calm and heal. These simple shifts help lay the foundation for rewiring in an easy, not overwhelming way. And then bonus module number 2 is creating a morning routine that works for you. If you've ever struggled with consistency, this module can help you to set up a supportive morning ritual so that you can start rewiring your brain before we even begin. You'll learn how to build a routine that works for you, one that feels not forced or not rigid. I know that making a decision like this can feel like a lot, but I also know that having a clear plan and a supportive community can make all the difference. So if you've been struggling to do this on your own, this course is here to help so that you can create real and lasting change. Early bird pricing is available through Friday, March 15th, and when you join, you'll get the special discounted rate plus 2 free bonus modules to help you start rewiring right away. So if this has been on your mind, now is the time to join. I would love to have you on this journey. Click the link below to enroll before Friday. If you have any questions, drop a comment here or send me a message. I would love to chat. I can't wait to see you inside the course. Bye for now.